If your site is very busy and you're unable to close it down to shoot, how can we address that? First of all, our operators are provided with 5-point PPE, hard hat, eye protection, high-vis gloves and boots. And we understand that they may not all be required on your particular site, but they should have these items with them at all times so we can meet most regular PPE requirements quite easily. For more hazardous sites where we may need to consider things like intrinsic safety, other hazardous environments or materials, we'll discuss each case on its merits and may need to bring in specialist equipment as required. Although we're used to attending site inductions, each tends to be site or even area specific, and for particularly hazardous environments in terms of vehicle, crane, forklift movements, which are the more daily events with which we have to cope, our operators are often accompanied by a representative from the client's company to point out any hazards and act as a spotter. If this is inconvenient for you, we can provide our own support where necessary. And as with most things, good communication is key, and if we can establish any potential hotspots, we can take the appropriate action to ensure the safety of both your crews and ours.